waiting for us.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Good, go. Get in.
Get in.
On the front. On the front, honestly.
Have you shot a gun?
Yes.
Fine. I get to sit next to Chad. Let's go, guys. In your spot. Woo! Ready, steady, go.
Ready?
Oh, seatbelts.
Seatbelts.
Don't want to have a crash.
That'd be funny.
That would be so funny. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
Right. Off to go get Megan.
Oh no, not her. She's my ex.
So you're hissy now.
But that would be awkward.
Oh, get
We just
over
met
it.
last week.
Chad, just it's a road trip. Just loosen up,
Okay,
dude.
alright.
All right. Oh God.
Okay.
Right. Like I
Right.
said.
Okay.
Off to go get Megan. Woo! Let's go. Road trip, road trip, road trip, road trip.
Chad, move up, yeah?
Yes.
Make some room for me and my bag.
Alright, I'll put these in the boots. Oh, I'm getting squished. Oh, don't forget to put your seatbelt on. Oh yeah.
Alright, seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
Oh, where's my
seatbelt?
I don't have a seatbelt.
Go, let's do this. Woo! We all ready?
I'm ready. Should be.
Yeah, I'm ready. Road
Right,
trip, here we
road
go.
trip.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Detox and all that.
Detox.
Seatbelts on.
Yeah.
Wedding bells. Okay.
Oh, I don't have a seatbelt with me.
Chad's coming.
Oh,
Oh,
Chad,
no.
shut up, mate. We're just going. Where's the little thing?
Oh, Chad will be sat on it.
Right, plug in the muse.
I'm trying.
Put on Kesha. Yes, Kesha. Woohoo. Kesha. Do this. Ella, come on.
Sorry, there we go.
In the morning, feeling like PJ. Grab my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city.
I'll leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, toes. Trying on all our clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up our phones, phones. Dropped up and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties. Trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No.
Road trip.
Alice, okay. I don't know what you're trying to prove, but why are you doing that in front of my face?
I'm sorry, you two aren't together anymore?
Yeah, but that's not the point. You don't just do that to somebody's ex-boyfriend.
Oh, chill the fuck out!
Are you
Just my ex.
joking?
Oh, shit, got that. Joking. You don't know what's
Guys, come on, it's a road trip. No, guys, seriously, stop arguing.
Guys, mates, and you're doing that.
Guys,